In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language in Claude AI. If you've just started using Claude or you'd simply prefer to see the interface in another language, this quick walkthrough will help you adjust everything in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main Claude AI interface in your browser. You should be on the page where you normally start new chats or see your existing conversations. Once you're there, the first thing you want to look for is the small person icon. This is usually found near the top corner of the screen and it represents your account or profile settings. Go ahead and click that person icon. When you do, a menu will open with several options related to your account and preferences. This is where Claude keeps all the controls for things like your profile, settings, and of course language. Within this menu, look for a section labeled Language. It should stand out as its own dedicated area, not hidden inside any advanced settings. This makes it easy to find even if you're not very familiar with the platform yet. Take a second to locate that language section so you know exactly where these controls live for the next time you want to change them. Once you've found the language section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to reveal a list of all the available languages you can switch to. This might include options like Tagalog, Spanish, French, and several others, depending on what's currently supported. Now choose your preferred language from the list. Just click on the language you want, and you don't need to confirm anything in a separate window. As soon as you make your choice, Claude AI will automatically apply that change. You'll notice the interface refresh almost instantly. The update is designed to be immediate, so you won't have to reload the page or sign out and back in. Watch as the sidebars, buttons, and various settings labels switch over to the language you selected. This includes navigation elements, basic actions like creating a new chat, and many of the key labels you interact with regularly. If you don't see the change right away, give it a brief moment or try clicking to a different part of the interface, such as opening a new chat or returning to your conversation list. In most cases, the translation should already be visible. If you ever decide you want to switch back to your original language or try another one, you can repeat these exact same steps. Click the person icon, go to the language section, open the drop-down, and select a different option. The update will again be immediate with the interface refreshing to match your new choice. That's all there is to it. By using the person icon to access your settings and selecting your preferred option in the language section, you can make Claude AI feel more natural and comfortable to use in just a few seconds.